If your skin looks like this, and this, then it's strawberry skin. It's a common issue, but don't worry, it's actually easy to fix. This is what my legs looked like before, and this is what they look like now. Let me explain why it happens and how you can get rid of it. Strawberry legs are usually caused by a buildup of keratin in your hair follicles, leading to clogged pores. This can happen after shaving, waxing, or even from dry skin. The dark spots you see are the result of trapped hair, dead skin, or bacteria inside the pores, which makes the skin appear dotted or rough. Exfoliating your skin is the first step to smooth, spot-free legs. 2 to 3 times a week with an AHA or BHA like glycolic or salicylic acid. For extra help, use a body cream with salicylic acid and urea 3 to 4 times a week to hydrate and fade dark spots. If shaving and waxing aren't doing it for you, consider trying IPL Intense Pulse Light Hair Removal. IPL targets hair follicles directly, reducing hair growth over time and minimizing the risk of strawberry legs. Over time, you'll notice less irritation and fewer bumps. Remember, self-care and patience are key. Regular care with the right products can give you smooth, flawless legs.